Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use Leonardo AI Canvas to generate art. Leonardo AI Canvas is an amazing tool that allows you to create stunning digital artwork without any prior experience in art or design. So we are going to use Leonardo AI. So if you are not aware of Leonardo AI, please check my this video and I will show you how to get access to it. So now once you go to Leonardo AI, this is the dashboard how it looks. All the image generated by the communities, it will be displayed over here, and there are these tools available on the left hand side. But what we are going to do is we will be looking at AI Canvas editor. So when you create art with Leonardo AI or any other tools, what you can do, there are specific sizes on the AI art, but when we want to increase the width and height of these images in the continuation for using as a wallpaper, YouTube channel, thumbnail, so we can do this using AI Canvas. So click on AI Canvas, and whether you can upload your image or you can also take the image from the community. So these are the settings and option over here. So you can increase the image dimension from here, increase width and height. So I will enter the size of YouTube thumbnail. So 720 is the size. So it gives me around approx size of 768. I will crop it later using Photoshop. So this is the width. So here's the width 1280 by 768. Now I'm going to upload the image. So I'm using Ferrari. So I want to have like a YouTube thumbnail for Ferrari image. So there are a lot of options. I'm going to use this image. So this is the image I'm going to use. Okay, so I will just reduce the size. It's a very upscale version. Okay, so let's start working on the image. So what you need to do is, so if you want to increase the image size, you need to place it over here and select this canvas and drag on the image. Okay, and use the prompt add. So whichever image you are going to use copy that prompt and use that prompt over here. So whichever image you are going to use, you need to copy that prompt and use it here. You can find the image from clicking on any of the images. For example, this is the image I am going to use. So it will give you prompt details. So it's only single one. So for specific, so I'll search here Ferrari. So you can copy this prompt and then enter this prompt over here. Okay, so now as our prompt is ready, I will click on generate. So it will start generating. So you have to generate it in multiple way, otherwise what will happen, it will be not that good result. So you need to take care of that thing. So I didn't like this one, so what I'm going to do is cancel this and click on the number of image, means number of option it will generate. And also I will reduce the size bit. Okay, and now again hit the generate. So it will show me 3 or 4 variants of that particular image, and whichever suits better I will use that. Okay, so here are the 4 options it have generated. So let's see another. This also looks good. This looks good. I think this looks bit perfect for me. So I am going to accept the 4th option. Okay, so that is done now. Now what I am going to do is add a character over here. Okay, so to add a character I am again going to Leonardo and search it again. Okay, so we have image options over here. So choose a best image which goes with your art you have generated. So let's go with this image, download it, drag it over here, and what it will do is remove the background from that image. So now download this image. So now upload that image on your scene. So this is where we are going to add this image. Now move this editor. You have to always select this and then add blend with the background, then hit generate. So you will again get 4 options, 4 variants. Okay, so check which effect have properly blend this with the background. 2, 3rd and 4th. So first option looks good. I'm going to accept it. Now you can check the result. So this is the result and the image have blended properly with this. So you can use any image which are generated through AI. Suppose it's Midjourney, DALL-E 2 or Leonardo, and you can extend those images using Canvas tool. There are a lot of other things as well which we can do, so I will come up with next video for that as well. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like, and if you have any queries, please comment below. Thanks for watching.